Hello and a good day to you. So if you're a content creator who puts out stuff on YouTube and you want to get your content out to as many people out there outside of your country, you know for a fact that one thing you have to do is translations. Both the subtitles and the title and description. But we all know how tedious and a total pain in the butt it can be to translate everything one by one using Google Translate. But I'm here to share with you a little trick, a little hack that I found out using Google Sheets, that you can automate your translations at one go with just maybe like a 10-minute setup. So assuming that you do your content in English, all you need to get things started are your subtitles in English as well as your title and descriptions written out, which I think by default you would have that. And when you have your subtitles out in English, what happens is that you can easily just go to the languages subtitles and click auto translate. What happens is that they use your original video language and use that as a translation platform. And assuming that you speak in proper English or your subtitles are in good grammatical order, there shouldn't be any problems that come out from these translations. And so far I don't think I've seen any issues yet. The more tedious part that I think most people feel would be the title and description, because there is no auto translate feature here. So what you do is you go to Google Sheets, and what I have done is a automation table for all the different languages that we have. I'm just gonna walk you through what I did. So in my first column is nothing, it's just for labeling purposes. My second column, my B column, is where my English language, my source language will be. So first row is the title. Second row is the description. There you have it. And what you notice is that the moment I type it down, everything is automatically translated out at an instant. And this is because right within Google Sheets, there is a function called Google Translate. Boom. We're gonna build up a Russian column just for this. So what you do, press equal sign, type out Google Translate, and then the first thing you do, click on the B column, the title that you have, and then you press comma, and then you need to identify what is the source language. In my case it's English, so quote mark EN for English, quote mark. Next, after the next comma, you need to identify what is the target language that you want to translate it to. In this case it's Russian, so again, quote mark RU, quote mark, and then you close the brackets, press enter, watch magic happen. Boom, you have Russian right now. Then to make things easier, you see that little dot over there, right? Just drag it down. It will reference to the same column but one row below. And now you got your Russian title. And then all you have to do is just Russian, go to Russian, title is here, and descriptions are here. The only slightly annoying bit is that when you do the Google Translate function on Google Sheets, it always comes up with this weird quote mark at the end and at the beginning. So it's probably as manual as you have to do it. Just go there, delete that quote mark, and you're good to go. The reason why this is useful is because when you have your title and description in the target language, when someone browses YouTube from their own country, they will see it in their language, and it probably would encourage them to click on it a little bit more. Whether or not they stay there or not, that's secondary, but at the very least, they will be able to easier understand what your video is about. So let me know what you think about this hack. I hope it's useful for you guys. I've recently found that this really helps. I mean, I'm not a top creator, but I feel that I do see people clicking in from other countries like Australia, Malaysia, Philippines, especially, thank you, the Pinoys, Indonesia, Germany, India. They do click on the video, so that's quite good lah, if you ask me. So yes, I hope you'll learn something out of this video. If you want to watch more videos from me, maybe not so hackish, click on here and here. If you want to learn more or watch more, consider subscribing. And if the tutorial helped you out a bit, please leave a comment down below or drop a like. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.